Fantasies. This is day 2 in Bali. The date is 22nd of May. We were so tired that we could not wake up early in the morning. We got freshened up and came out for our lunch. We stopped at a small hotel called Varum 35. We ordered chicken lalapan and chicken fried rice for our lunch. And that is our hotel in which we are staying. I came to know that every small hotel in Kuta are known as Varum, and this is one such hotel called Varum 35 near our hotel. If you are visiting Bali, I recommend you to visit Varum 35. Guys, that is Kutaswar, and that is our hotel in Kutaswar. Now we are going to exchange our currency, and after that we'll plan where to go.
Hi friends, I'm Nitin and I'm going to narrate my dream experience in Bali. After currency exchange, we decided to visit the famous and the picturesque Tanah Lot Temple. Kuta is a popular beach resort area located on the island of Bali. It is known for its lively atmosphere, long stretch of golden sand, and is a great spot for surfers of all levels. The waves here are suitable for beginners, but more experienced surfers also find good conditions. The drive from Kuta to Tanah Lot Temple is approximately 20 to 25 kilometers depending on your starting point. The drive typically takes about 1 hour, but today it is taking us 1 hour 45 minutes because of neck-to-neck traffic conditions. We will pass through some famous local neighborhoods of Kuta, Seminyak and Canggu, as well as rice fields and smaller villages as you approach Tanah Lot Temple. Overall, the drive from Kuta to Tanah Lot Temple offers a mix of urban and rural scenery, culminating in a visit to one of Bali's most picturesque and culturally significant landmarks.
Friends, we have reached Tanah Lot Temple after 2 hours of driving in heavy traffic. There is a beautiful beach behind. Let's go and explore.
Tanah Lot Temple is one of Bali's iconic sea temples, perched on a rocky outcrop in the ocean. It's a stunning sight, particularly at sunset, when the temple is silhouetted against the colorful sky. The temple is open to visitors daily from early morning until around 7 p.m. It is best to arrive early in the day or later in the afternoon to avoid large crowds.
Guys, this temple has beautiful architecture and is huge.
Tanah Lot Temple is believed to have been built in the 16th century by a Hindu priest named Nirartha, dedicated to the sea gods. It is one of the 7 sea temples along the Balinese coast, which are designed to form a chain along the southern coast of Bali. Certain areas are only open for locals and strictly restricted for visitors. During high tide, the temple appears to be floating on the water, which creates a dramatic and photogenic scene.
Thank you. Om Sati 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 Om Swastiastu. Selamat datang di objek wisata Tanah Lot. Anda sedang berada di area bebas sampah. Jagalah kebersihan.
The temple features traditional Balinese architectural elements with a distinctive black and white striped parasol that is often seen in the area. The structure is built from local black coral rock, which adds to its unique appearance. It is said that these rocks are protected by sea snakes, which guard the temple from evil spirits and pirates. Tanah Lot is home to several smaller shrines and altars which are used in various religious ceremonies. Tanah Lot Temple is a sacred site, so be respectful of local customs and traditions. Follow any guidelines or instructions provided by the temple staff.
Friends, Tanah Lot Temple closes at 7 p.m. in the evening. We came at 5:45. We had less than 1 hour to explore. Please come early as possible. This place deserves hours of exploration and it is very beautiful. Friends, we have reached Kuta Beach. Grab drivers are open to wait for you and drop you at your destination, so you can easily negotiate with them. We'll now explore the Kuta Beach and see how the nightlife is. I took this corn from a small stall and it's very delicious. Friends, we have reached our hotel and ordered food in Grab. This is not a promotional video since we liked its service. We are recommending you. This is the food that we ordered. We'll have it and call it a day. Thanks for watching and see you in the next vlog.